Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your earbuds LG TONE Free. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. After that, do not close the case, open the lid. At the back side of the earbuds, right here at the top, we have dots at the left and right earbuds, and this one is touch areas, so you need to press and hold at this touch area until the LED light on the front side start blinking red. So press and hold. Firstly, it should enter to prank mode, so it start blinking blue. It's okay, just keep holding it. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. So we don't need to enter prank mode manually, we will see it as the device list and we will tap on it. So let's go, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!